I have another Little Blue Truck book for you today. This one is called Springtime. And that's the season that we're in right now, isn't it? Spring. It says some beautiful pictures of trees blossoming, and we're going to talk about animals, baby animals. Hopefully you're able to see some baby animals being born this spring. Little Truck is on the road, taking a drive with his good friend, Toad. It's a yoo-hoo, sky blue, spring sing-songy day. Who do you think we'll see along the way? Do you remember his friends from last time? Those helping friends? Let's see if they're back. Or maybe there's some new friends. There's a barn. Yoo-hoo, sheep. What does the Little Blue Truck say? Beep, beep. What's new? Here's my sheep right here. Here they are. There's my sheep. Can you see them? Let's stick them up here, then you can see them. There's my sheep. Yeah. A little white lamb. And twin lambs, too. Oh, they're so cute. Bah. Bah. Who's that swimming on the line? Who's that swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo, duck and ducklings 9. Look, here's a little duck. And here's a bunch of ducklings. Woohoo! They were having fun. Yoo-hoo, goat. What do you say? Can your kids come out and play? So baby goats are called, aren't they? Kids. I happen to have some in a barn next to me. I'll have to take a video. Yoo-hoo, cow, munching corn. Yoo-hoo, little calf that was just born. Yeah, here's the little calf. Ooh, he's so cute. Moo. Here's a great big calf. A great big cow. Mama Pig, what's in your pen? Can you guess what's in the pen? Yeah, some baby piglets. 1, 2, 10 is in the pen. Can you count to 10 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Ooh, ears in clover. Hippity hop. That looks funny. Hippity hop. That's a bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. Guess what? I just happen to have a lot of bunnies here. Was that the brother? And maybe the sister, and another, and fun, another, yeah. What's that nestled in the grass? Check it out as we pass. Tap, tap, tap. Anybody home? What's inside that smooth, round dome? What's inside? What's inside of eggs? You know. Yeah. Crickety-clack, everybody shout, yoo-hoo, chick, come on out. I think he will. I think he'll come out. Did I hear you? Say it again. Come on, chick, come on out. There he is. He's ready to meet the world. He's ready to meet this spring day. Yeah, and the Little Blue Truck and all his friends. Yoo-hoo, sun. Yoo-hoo, sky. Yoo-hoo, white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo, spring. his little blue truck say? Beep, beep, beep. So these are fun books to do with your children. And even if you don't have a blue truck and all of these animals, you can incorporate the same types of story narratives with anything you have in your house and just create fun stories and act them out with your children. See you next time.